Now let us study formation of single covalent bond. First we are going to study how single covalent bonds are formed between similar atoms. So to start with, we have hydrogen. Okay. Now what have I written? I have written the electron dot structure of hydrogen, showing its valence electron. So this is the first atom of hydrogen and this is the second atom of hydrogen. Now both the hydrogen atoms have just one electron in its outermost shell, and you know that K shell will become stable if it is completely filled with 2 electrons. So this hydrogen requires another electron to become stable. Similarly, this hydrogen, the second one, also needs a second electron to become stable. So how are they going to do it? So the first hydrogen atom is going to share the electron from the second hydrogen. You see. So sharing means you can say it borrows this electron from the second H. And this hydrogen will also do the same. It is going to borrow or share the electron from the first. Now what happened now? Both the hydrogen atoms, by sharing one pair of electrons, have acquired their stability. Okay. So this results in the formation of a single bond between the two. And this results in the formation of a molecule of hydrogen, that is hydrogen gas. Alright. So this is a single covalent bond formed between two similar atoms. The second one is chlorine. See how chlorine can form a molecule. Now see, chlorine, how are we going to do it? It has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Always try to write in a symmetrical manner. Don't just put the dots haphazardly. This I had taught you in electrovalent compounds also. So chlorine has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. But it is unstable. It needs another one to form a chlorine molecule. So I am going to write down or show another chlorine molecule. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So one thing you have noticed that the single electrons are facing one another. Now the first chlorine needs one more electron to become stable. So it shares the electron from the second chlorine. It shares, or you can say it borrows it. And the second chlorine will also do the same. It's going to borrow or share the electron from the first. So by sharing or borrowing, both the chlorine atoms have acquired a stable octet configuration. This also has 8 around it. This also has 8 around it, resulting in the formation of a single covalent bond. So this formation of chlorine molecule. So these two examples are single bonds where similar elements are sharing one pair of electron between each.